Number 5.
Space-saving design is just one of the smart reasons to own a 3G Cardio Pro Runner treadmill. If you want quality but also need to conserve space, the Pro Runner treadmill offers users the unique ability to have a high-quality running experience and a space-saving treadmill all in one. Built solid from the ground up, the 3G Cardio Pro Runner is one of the only fold-up treadmills available that will support serious runners. The Pro Runner's high-end OrthoShock treadmill belt and suspension offer plenty of room to run, with an overall footprint of 74 inches by 35 inches and a running belt which measures 20.5 inches by 58 inches. Combine the comfort of our soft belt and suspension with a high-torque 3-horsepower motor, large 2-inch rollers, and you've got a treadmill that will keep up with all your workouts. The high-powered 3-horsepower motor and tough lifetime warranted frame allows users who weigh up to 350 pounds to comfortably use the Pro Runner treadmill. With a built-in heart rate interactive pulse monitor and an optional wireless HR chest belt, your Pro Runner is ready to check your pulse as you keep the pace. With 8 pre-programmed exercises, there's something for everyone to get in shape. Whether it's walking or running, a steady pace or intervals, flat or hills, the 3G Cardio workouts will get you where you want to go. The Gherkin, Cooper, and BMI industry standard fitness tests evaluate your fitness level and performance to help you achieve your goals. With one-touch speed and incline settings and the ability to customize your own workout, the Pro Runner treadmill provides quick change response times to keep up with you. And when the workouts really get going, you'll keep your cool with the built-in adjustable speed fan. And when your workout is done, folding the Pro Runner is a breeze. Simply lift up on the back of the treadmill to lock it in place. Get in shape today with the incredible Pro Runner treadmill by 3G Cardio.
Number 4.
Hold up.
Number 3.
Where am I going? It's a simple question that each of us asks ourselves from time to time. But for you, the answer is simple. You are going forward. The more important question is, how far do you want to go? Looking for a way to start down the path to adventure? Look no further than the XTERRA Fitness Trail Runner 300 Folding Treadmill. It comes equipped with all the features you need to begin your fitness journey. Along with 24 creative programs, the TR300 comes equipped with an easy-to-read 5.5-inch blue backlit display that will help you keep track of your workout. And you can stay motivated on the road to adventure by attaching your personal music player to the dual-mounted speakers. To quickly adjust your workout, you can use either the quick one-touch speed and incline buttons, or you can use the easy-to-reach handlebar remote controls. The TR300 is capable of reaching speeds up to 10 miles per hour and 10 degrees of incline. A 20 by 55-inch XTERRA soft cushion deck will provide the cushioning and impact absorption needed to offer you a more comfortable workout. And to further enhance your experience, there's a crossbar between the uprights for additional stability and vibration dampening. When you're finished with your workout, simply fold up the treadmill with the lift assist storage system and roll away until your next workout. Built to last, the TR300 comes with a lifetime warranty on the frame and motor and 1 year on the deck, parts, and in-home labor. Thanks to the Trail Runner 300 folding treadmill from XTERRA Fitness, the path to adventure starts at home.
Number 2.
Escape into your workout with the Schwinn 810 Treadmill, the affordable indoor cardio solution designed to keep you active and built for the journey ahead. Free of boundaries and full of possibilities, the 810 features a backlit LCD display, 16 intuitive workout programs, a 20 by 55-inch running belt, soft track cushioning for a smoother run, and a soft drop folding design for easy storage. You can even charge your device with the convenient USB charging dock. Plus, sync your 810 treadmill with the Explore the World app, the ultimate mixed reality experience allowing you to run around the world from the comfort of home. Travel along the busy streets of Las Vegas, the beautiful views of Red Rock, and enjoy many more scenic destinations while tracking your workout metrics from your phone or tablet. Escape the everyday with the Schwinn 810 Treadmill, offering quality, affordability, and a one-way ticket to a life well lived.
Number 1.